Hello everyone. Today was your test and you were prepared well and you have done good. Now I am explaining your test and I will tell you which question will be right and why. First question, chromosomes are made up of. So chromosomes are made by DNA and protein. DNA and protein both. Chromosomes are made by DNA and protein both. Second, the undefined nuclear region of prokaryotic are also known as. Means nuclear region do not have nuclear wall, nuclear membrane. So, the nucleus without nuclear membrane is called nucleoid. So, in prokaryotic cell, nucleus is called nucleoid because it don't have nuclear membrane. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA. When I explained this lesson, I have told and I have marked underline because this question mitochondria and plastids both have DNA. So organelle other than nucleus containing DNA. So here only mitochondria given. So what would be the answer? Do you know? Mitochondria. And mitochondria is also a powerhouse of the cell. So organelle other than nucleus containing DNA. So which is the organelle? Mitochondria. Next question, 1 micron meter is. So 1 micron meter is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So what is the value of micron meter? 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Which of the following can be made into crystals? Which thing can be made? Bacterium, amoeba or virus? So which thing made in crystal? So virus can be made into crystals. Next question, which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many proteins and drugs in a cell? So when I explained endoplasmic reticulum, I have told it also useful to detoxifying drugs and proteins from the cell or detoxifying poison also from the cell. So what can be the answer? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth is not here. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? If smooth and rough both given, then what will be the answer? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many proteins and drugs in a cell? Endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 7. Amoeba acquires its food through a process termed as. So how can amoeba take its food? Take its food by endocytosis. Do you know what is endocytosis? Food taken by membrane and stored in vacuole. It is endocytosis. So food taken by amoeba by endocytosis. Cell theory was given by Hook, Sheldon and Swan and Virtue. Who given cell theory? Sheldon and Swan. What is cell theory? Do you know? What is cell theory? You should know. I have explained this also when I explained the lesson. So what is a cell theory? Next question. Living cells were discovered by. Living given here. If who discovered cell? So what will be the answer? living or non-living if not given. Only cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, because non-living cell discovered by Robert Hooke in cork cell. In cork cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, but in living cell were discovered by Leeuwenhoek. So what will be the answer? Leeuwenhoek. So I have explained every answer, and you should know answer of these MCQs and learn theory also, because next time I will take test of questions that are difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic, difference between animal cell and plant cell. These type of questions I will take in test. Means you should learn theory, you should read lesson, then after you can do easily your work. So today it was your test solution, and what will be your homework? To read this lesson again and learn all the answers. Answers are very much easy, you can learn, and you should be prepare your exam. So learn daily, and if any problem you can call me on my personal number. Thank you very much class.